Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 12th of January 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A fake Grok-branded application targeting macOS users has been uncovered spreading malware, with attackers using generative AI to closely imitate a legitimate tool. Victims are tricked into downloading the app, which then compromises their systems, highlighting how AI is increasingly being abused to make malware campaigns more convincing and harder to detect. US cybersecurity officials have issued an urgent directive requiring federal agencies to patch a critical remote code execution vulnerability in the Gogs self-hosted Git service. The flaw has been actively exploited in zero-day attacks, allowing threat actors to take control of vulnerable servers and potentially access sensitive government systems. A malicious actor has been hijacking characters during live Apex Legends matches, gaining unauthorized control and disrupting gameplay in real time. The incident has raised concerns about security weaknesses in online multiplayer platforms and the potential for exploits that directly impact players during competitive sessions. BreachForums, a well-known cybercrime forum, experienced a data breach that exposed personal information belonging to more than 324,000 users. The leak undermines the anonymity that many members rely on and could provide valuable intelligence for cybersecurity researchers and law enforcement tracking illicit online activity. The University of Hawaii Cancer Center was struck by a ransomware attack that disrupted internal systems and affected daily operations. Investigators are working to determine the extent of data exposure, as healthcare and research institutions continue to be high-value targets for financially motivated cybercriminals. Security researchers have identified a weaponized NPM package circulating within the N8N workflow automation community. The malicious package was designed to steal credentials and execute harmful code, demonstrating the ongoing risk posed by supply chain attacks in open-source software ecosystems. Cybercriminals are distributing fake employee-related reports embedded with Guloader and Remcos RAT malware as part of a social engineering campaign. Once opened, the files install remote access tools that allow attackers to spy on victims, steal data, and maintain long-term access to compromised systems. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall, and we appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares, stay informed and secure in the digital world.